Function of the engine main bearing. Engine bearings are the main supports for the major moving parts of an engine, reinforcing the operating loads and reducing the friction these parts generate. In other words, they affect the overall durability and longevity of an engine. The engine main bearing is a critical component that supports the crankshaft and allows it to rotate within the engine block. It reduces friction, ensures proper alignment, and absorbs intense combustion loads, preventing engine failure. Positioned between the crankshaft and the block, they are vital for lubrication and smooth operation. Functions. Support the crankshaft. It acts as a stationary cradle for the crankshaft, keeping it in place as it rotates. Reduce friction. By providing a smooth, lubricated surface, they allow the crankshaft to spin with minimal power loss. Manage structural loads. They handle the immense mechanical forces generated by the pistons and combustion process, protecting the engine block from damage. Maintain alignment. They ensure the crankshaft stays perfectly aligned within the engine block to prevent uneven wear or catastrophic failure. Lubrication support. They facilitate a thin wedge of oil between the bearing surface and the crankshaft hydrodynamic lubrication to prevent direct metal-to-metal contact.